How to fix Discord launching automatically when opening up your Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually fix and then disable if Discord is opening itself automatically whenever you start your Windows. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're launching your Windows and then you just open it, but every time your applications such as Discord, Spotify and so on are going to open up automatically. So in that case, if you want to fix it, you can do so from the Discord app itself. So just go ahead and launch the Discord app first. Then you have to go to this little gear icon, which is a user settings icon, as you can see. Then over here you'll see all this, and on the left hand side you have to look for the option called Windows. So basically just scroll and then look for the option called Windows. So as you can see, Windows settings over here. I'm just going to click on this option. Then over here you can see open Discord is actually turned on. So this means that save yourself a few clicks and let Discord grade you on your computer startup. So basically you can also start Discord minimize if you want Discord to run in the background over here as well, but not show up on the computer. Then you can select start minimize, or you can just turn it off, or you can just turn off Discord completely so that it will not start automatically. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then simply fix Discord starting itself automatically during your Windows startup. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.